Today I'm using Parrot Polish, Irish Cream, and Hollow Tacos Gold Flake Taco. And I have these little hollow clovers. I believe these are from Glitter Unique. I'll, if I can find the link, I'll put it down below. Or you can probably find, oh, these are little 4-leaf clovers. How cute is that? Or you can probably find the same thing on eBay. Just, just put like hollow clover glitters shapes or whatever. These are super cute, and I actually haven't ever used them before, so I'm super excited about using them today. First thing I'm going to do is put on my base coat. I'm using Maxis. And when this is dry, we can start painting the color on. Here is the first coat. I put on this first coat a little thin, so I might need 3. Here is our second coat. Here's the third coat. 3 coats will be fine. Now I'm going to attempt to put the gold on. I don't want a lot of it on there, so I'm going to wipe off the brush quite a bit before I spread it on there, because I just don't want a lot of gold on my manicure. I'm pretty particular. So let's try this out. All right, let's see if we can get this to work. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is exactly what I want. Yeah, that looks super cute. Okay, one down. Okay. So now I have here, I've got the little glitters, and I've got a silicone tool, and I'm just gonna kind of wet it to pick up the glitter. Or not. Why aren't you coming up? You know, I test all this stuff and then it doesn't work. Come on. Okay. Ah, there we go. I got one. So I'm just going to kind of put them here or there in my manicure. They are not cooperating today. Now I'm just kind of pushing it down because the, the base of the Gold Flake Taco is still in there, so that's good. There, I think those look kind of cute. I'm going to use Vibrant Vinyl's Glitter's Best Friend to kind of lay a thick coat around it, because these are quite thick. Actually might use 2 coats of those, because I really don't want them to stick up and catch on things. Just poke this down a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely going to need 2 coats, but looks pretty good. I'm going to put a second coat of that Glitter's Best Friend, because these are like super chunky glitters. Now I'm just going to put on Max's Finito, because that is a long-lasting top coat. You are supposed to use another top coat over any kind of glitter smoothing top coats. I guess those were just designed to smooth out the glitters and not actually, you know, do anything else for your mani. This will add a nice shine, and it'll help protect it against chipping. Okay, we're finished. The Glitter's Best Friend really smoothed out that glitter. That is great. I actually purchased those so long ago. I purchased like a bunch of them. And to purchase like a bunch of different sizes, you can get like little sample things. I think this is like $1 for that whole little, it didn't come in a little pot, but like whole teaspoon or tablespoon or whatever the heck it is. And then I just bought the little jars to store it in. But anyway, so here is my finished manicure. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.